Join Jorge Abalo, the founder of Abalo's cloud-native and Nexus technologies from Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, and take the leap into the exciting world of cloud-native, cybersecurity, blockchain/smart contracts, and AI. We're opening up spots in our exclusive community, the DevSEC Ops Dojo. It's your chance to learn, grow, and connect with a vibrant tech family. Why join us? Lifetime membership for active learners at just $399 Canadian dollars. Unlock access to our network, consultancy work, and hands-on mentorship. Direct interaction with experienced pros from Lit Cloud Canada and Cloud Underground, USA. Real-world experience and guidance. Ready to transform your future? This is your opportunity to grow, learn, and thrive with us. Why learning with Abalo's cloud-native and Nexus technologies is great for your mental health. You're never alone in the dojo. When you join Abalo's cloud-native and Nexus technologies, you're not just a student. You're part of a family. In our DevSEC Ops Dojo, you'll always have someone to lean on. If Jorge doesn't respond right away, there's always someone else ready to help. You'll never feel lost or stuck on your journey. Daily mental growth and brain training. Learning new skills, training your memory, and expanding your tech vocabulary every day will boost your mental agility and confidence. With every session, you'll see how your brain's capacity for retention and problem-solving improves. Imagine walking into interviews with a solid understanding of tech terms. You'll impress everyone. Personal branding, your powerful resume and cover letter. Jorge will guide you in building your personal brand. This is your digital resume that opens doors and opportunities. People will know who you are, what you're capable of, and why they should work with you. It's an essential skill that universities don't teach, and it's one of the most powerful assets in today's job market. Real opportunities for consultancy work. If you show us what you can do, there's potential for consultancy work and even getting hired. But remember, it takes time and dedication to build serious skills. You're not just learning for the sake of learning. You're preparing for real-world opportunities. Supportive community and real connections. Forget about feeling lonely or isolated in your tech journey. With us, you'll be part of a community that supports and motivates each other. Weekly sessions with Jorge and daily interactions on Discord mean you're never on this journey alone. We're your new tech family. Compare this to university. Let's be real. University can be isolating, outdated, and expensive. How much would you pay for years of lectures and outdated materials only to drop out or feel unprepared? With us, it's a one-time fee of $399 for a lifetime of learning, support, and access to the latest in AI, cloud-native, cybersecurity, and blockchain. Preparing you for the future. AI is here, and job losses are a reality for those unprepared. Are you ready? We'll make sure you are. By staying engaged, motivated, and mentally fit, you'll be ready to tackle the challenges of the future job market. Money isn't the main goal here. Your growth, mental fitness, and preparation are. The money will come as you gain skills, build your brand, and find work opportunities with us. This is about investing in yourself. Ready to break free from loneliness in tech and build something amazing? Join us and let's grow together.